Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something straightforward but essential: how to log in to your Betterment account. Betterment is a fantastic online platform for automated investing, helping you grow your wealth with minimal hassle. Whether you're a seasoned user or just setting up for the first time, this quick guide will get you logged in smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're ready to go. You'll need a device with internet access, whether that's your phone, tablet, or computer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Betterment website at www.betterment.com. If you prefer mobile, download the Betterment app from your app store and launch it. Once you're there, you'll see the login page staring back at you. Now, for the main event, entering your credentials. Type in the email address or username you used when you signed up. Double-check for any typos to avoid frustration. Next, enter your password. If it's been a while, take a moment to ensure it's correct. Betterment is all about security, so they might prompt you for additional verification. Speaking of security, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a code sent to your phone or email. Just enter that code to proceed. It's a quick extra step that keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. If you run into any hiccups, like a forgotten password, don't panic. Click on the "Forgot Password" link. Follow the instructions to reset it, and you'll be back on track in minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can view your investments, track your portfolio, and make adjustments as needed. Pretty cool, right? Remember, Betterment makes investing accessible for everyone, so take some time to explore the features. That's it for today's tutorial. Logging in is as simple as that. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.